use of the Welsh language can play a part in our lives in many ways, including technology. This video will show you how to set your Mac OS X to Welsh and use accents. It's been designed using Mac OS X version 10.9.1. In order to ascertain what type of Mac OS you're using, click on the Apple at the top left-hand side of the screen and then click on About this Mac. We should note that there's no guarantee these instructions will work on versions other than 10.9.1. At the time of recording, in spring 2014, it's possible to view a limited amount of the Mac OS X interface in Welsh, for example, the date and time. It also enables you to place a circumflex and other accent marks such as those on the letters W and Y. Nevertheless, it doesn't include a fully localised interface. In order to start the process, click on the Apple at the top left-hand side of the screen and then System Preferences, followed by Language and Region. Under the Preferred Language box, you'll see a plus sign. Click on it. Scroll down to find Cymraeg, Welsh. This may be at the bottom of the list as the list uses the English alphabet. Click once on Cymraeg, Welsh, then on Add. Please note the message that states, while some applications and web pages can use the selected language, it is not fully supported by OS X. A new box will appear which will ask you, would you like to use Welsh as your primary language? Click Use Welsh, then follow the instructions and restart the machine. Once you've restarted, you'll see that the calendar icon at the bottom of the screen is now in Welsh. Wherever the machine uses dates and times, for example in Mail or Calendar, they'll now appear in Welsh. In order to type accent marks used in Welsh, all you now have to do in any application or web page is follow these instructions. If you'd like to see a map of the Mac keyboard, noting which keystrokes facilitate the typing of which accents, click on the icon next to the date and enable Show Keyboard Viewer. On pressing keys such as Alt and Apple, you'll see which keys to press. In order to type a circumflex on a vowel, hold Alt down and press the vowel. If you wish to type a grave accent, hold Alt down and then press the symbol to the left of the Z key. The grave accent will appear with a yellow background. Then press any vowel to finish. If you wish to type an acute accent, hold Alt down and then press 7. The acute accent will appear with a yellow background. Then press any vowel to finish. In order to type an umlaut or diaresis, for example on the word partion, a similar principle is followed. Hold down Alt, press 8, release both keys and then press the vowel. And those are the steps to follow in order to set your Mac OS X to Welsh and use accents. Doing the little things and increasing your use of Welsh with technology goes a long way, and you can find more videos giving further instructions on our website.